Morning, dear children. Welcome back to your online classes. Today we will see exercise 4 of chapter 5. So, all of you open page number 116. All of you open 116. Page number 116, exercise 4. First of all, we will learn the property of division. So, look at here. Division facts, it means division property. Division by 1. If any number is divided is any number divided by 1 always get the itself, वो नंबर खुद आ जाता है. ठीक है, किसी भी नंबर को 1 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो नंबर वी विल गेट द सेम नंबर. ओके, प्रॉपर्टी फर्स्ट, देन division by of 0 by a number. If we are when 0 is divided by any number, 0 को किसी भी नंबर से डिवाइड करने always get 0, always get 0. Next is division of a number by itself. If a number is divided by itself, सेम नंबर से डिवाइड किया जाता है, किसी भी नंबर को सेम नंबर से डिवाइड किया जाता है, द आंसर ऑलवेज गेट 1. क्या आंसर आएगा? 1. सो लुक ऑल ऑफ यू, चैप्टर 5 एक्सरसाइज 4. Yes, all of you, look, chapter 5, exercise 4, page number 116. Question first is solve the following. Question first is solve the following. When the number is divided by 1, when the number is divided by 1, the answer is number itself. It means 18 divided by 1, answer we will get 18. 18 को 1 से डिवाइड करने पर we will get the number itself. Okay. When the 0 is divided by any number, 0 is divided by any number, it always gives 0. 0 is there, then write 0. Okay. 1 is there, the same answer. Same. Okay. The number is divided by itself, सेम नंबर से डिवाइड किया जाता है, देन ऑलवेज गेट द 1. ओके. एंड 8 इज डिवाइडेड बाय 1. एनी नंबर इज डिवाइडेड बाय 1, द आंसर इज नंबर itself. Got it, all of you? 1 is there, write same answer. 0 is there, write 0. Same number is there, then write 1. And if any number is divided by 1, then number itself. Got it, all of you? fill in the missing number. 16 divided which number? If 1 we are getting the number, same number will come. Okay, 1 is there, the number, same number. 1 is there, the number itself. Okay, then 1 is there, then same number. Got it all of you? And 0 is there, then write 0. 19, same number is there, then write 1. Got it all of you? 0 is there, then write down 0. Same number is there, then write down 1. Got it all of you? Now look exercise 5, page number 180. Exercise 5, page number 180. So all of you, we are doing question number 1 and 2 both together because both are same. So look, for each multiplication sentence, write 2 division facts. Multiplication is given, you have to change in division. Division में आपको change करना है. How can we do? You look. 3 7 जा. What answer we will get? 3 7 जा 21. 3 7 जा 21. Okay, अब how can we write? 21 we are getting na. First of all we will write 21 in both section. 21 21. Got it all of you? Change in division facts. So make sign divide. Write in division sign. Okay, first what? 3. Write down 3 and equal में आपको लिखना है second number 7. So similarly 3 you have to write first, then write 7 and equal में 3. Got it all of you? वैसे भी आप देखो 3 का टेबल 21 में कितने टाइम्स आता है? 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6, 3 3 जा 9, 3 4 जा 12, 3 5 जा 15, 3 6 जा 18. कब तक बोलना है? whenever we are not getting 21. 3 7 जा 21. Got it all of you? 3 7 जा 21. 3 की टेबल में 21 कब आता है? 3 की टेबल में 21 कब आता है? 7 टाइम्स. Similarly 7 is there, तो write down 7. 1 जा 7, 7 2 जा 14 and 7 3 जा 21 है ना. 21 ये रहा 21. 7 की टेबल में कितने टाइम्स आया? 3 बार, तो राइट डाउन 3. अदरवाइज वी कैन राइट डायरेक्टली 21. चेंज करना है डिवीजन फैक्ट्स में, तो राइट डिवीजन सिंबल. फिर फर्स्ट 3 इक्वल में 7 एंड 7 इक्वल में 3. गॉट इट ऑल ऑफ यू? So see next one. 7 9 जा 7 का टेबल 9 टाइम्स, तो what answer we will get? 63. 7 9 जा 63. तो first of all we will write 63. Here also we will write 63. Okay. मल्टीप्लाई को चेंज करना है डिवीजन फैक्ट्स में, तो राइट डाउन डिवीजन. फर्स्ट 7 एंड इक्वल में 9 फिर 9 write down and equal में 7. Got it all of you? In this way you have to do practice. Next is 8 into 5. 8 5s are 40. Okay, then write down 40. Here also 40. Divide sign. First write 8 equal में 5 and 5 equal में 8. Got it all of you? So we 8 5 जा 40 और 5 8 जा 40. Got it all of you? Now next is write the missing numbers. It's the same question is there. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. Okay, similar. 10. So first of all we will write 10. Here also 10. Okay. Up next is already given 2 equal में 5. हाँ, we can take anyone first. Okay, कोई भी एक नंबर पहले ले सकते हैं. और 10 5 then equal में 2. Got it all of you? Okay, 6 2 जा 12. Write down 12 is there, then 12 is there. Okay, then 2 is 6 और 6 इक्वल में 2. सिर्फ 2 के टेबल में 12 कब आता? 6 टाइम और 6 के टेबल में 12 2 times. Got it all of you? In this way you have to do practice and easily you can learn. Got it all of you? Again recall in your mind, and if you are not understanding, then again and again you see this video, then easily you will learn. Thank you and have a nice day.